My friend said I have to work on not cussing so much.
I do too.
For you too. I do too. I just can't help it.
Cause it's like, fuck bitch shit.
Look how skinny I look, guys. Well, I don't look that skinny. I just ate. And I haven't waist trained.
You getting like Ari in the gym, man. Ari look good.
Ari look good. She got hella lipo though.
Oh, she probably gets around a month.
She gets lipo. She got lipo on her legs.
And her legs. I didn't even know that was a thing.
I would do more lipo on my arms because I have like this obsession with small arms.
I don't. I feel like small arms make you equivalent to crackhead. So leave your arms alone, please.
Okay.
I really cannot find my vape, and I feel like I kind of left it.
Where'd you leave it? In the house?
I don't know.
Okay, so I would get more lipo in my arms, and I would get more lipo in my chin. Cause it's cheaper than Carvella. But
Really?
yeah.
Okay.
I love a good pad.
The hairstylist whose hair is never done. I don't.
It was done one time.
You trying to be funny, bitch?
Yo, I just woke up.
That's sad.
Well, I'm kind of happy I didn't have to wake up fucking early because I couldn't go to bed. That's sad. Shut the fuck up. Okay, let's see if it even fits.
Probably not. I really wish there was some easier way to braid your hair. Like, seriously, Alyssa. How did your other stylist do it?
She did it, okay, so she would braid it. I'm trying to move the camera so you can see this. Look, listen. So she would braid it back and then like tie it all together in the back. So
Kind of like how I be doing it.
yeah, I don't ever think she did a beehive. Here, let's see if this even fits.
Instead of trying to do all the little ass braids.
I told y'all, I just woke up. Y'all gonna be like, why are you getting a wig? You have so much hair. Do you get paid to wear wigs? Oh. Okay.
Don't put that on there. They're gonna cancel you.
No, they're not. They love when I actually act like myself and not a very shy person. Okay, so pull it back in the back.
This is proving nothing right now. Of course, it's gonna fit on your flat ass hair.
We're gonna have to cut the sides. You guys, what time is it? 3:30.
3:28.
Today has been a day. First of all, the wig we first had, brush it from the bottom. The wig we first had, the curly one, didn't fit. So we drove back an hour ago to go exchange the wig for a 13x6 because we thought if we had a bigger front it would work, because I need a large wig because my head is big and I have a lot of hair. So we did that, and then that wig was still too small too. So after she braids me down, I'm gonna have to go back over there.
Is this a chunk? Do you have layers?
Yeah,
Since when?
since I cut it into my head. Oh my god, can you please brush from the bottom?
I am.
So I have to go back after she braids me down to go trade this out for a frontal and some bundles. That's so fucking annoying.
Well, that's you that wanna do it. Shit.
What do you mean I don't really have an option? I'm not gonna wear no tiny ass wig. And then if she puts a tiny ass wig on my head, she's gonna be mad when it comes up in 3 days and I'm like, Maya.
True shit.
Maya's taking off my sideburns.
Look at my gosh.
Okay guys, just gonna fill y'all in. I was supposed to wear the frontal. Okay, my nail's missing. We're not gonna talk about that. I've had a very long, stressful day. But this is what a day in the life is like. Like, y'all be wanting to see these day in the life videos. This is what it's like. Every day is not perfect and glamorous. Some days are ugly, and I'd be ready to say F everything and leave and just go home and take a nap. But no, we can't do that. The first wig, 26-inch curly frontal, didn't fit. So I went back, got a body wave 13 by 6 because I thought since the frontal would be bigger, it'll be able to fit. No, didn't. So then I had to go back again. So Maya braided me down, finished her other client. I went to go pick up the other wig, and then I got us food because I knew she was gonna get cranky being up here with no food. I didn't know how she is. So she bought us food earlier, so I bought us food, and then I did my eyebrows. We just bleached the knots on the frontal. So now I have 3 bundles and a frontal, and we're just gonna construct it because as you can see, this right there, I have a very big fucking head. Well, not even just that, it's just it really be like the hair under the wig. And Maya knows my head. Maya knows a medium wig is not gonna fit me. The last time I wore a medium wig, we had to cut the frontal off of it and cut the wig itself and then sew both pieces on just so it would stay. And that's when I wore that platinum wig in LA for Heaven's birthday. And that shit did not last long at all. And we need something to last because I'm not installing my next wig for promo until next Thursday, and today's Friday, so that's almost a week. So yeah, exactly. So yeah, but on Wednesday and Thursday I was thinking about because the shoot's on Friday. I was thinking about wearing the wig, but like wearing a lace band to the gym, that way it could just like melt off. What?
Oh, like this one?
Yeah, like whenever I'm getting ready to take it off, because it's gonna look dirty anyways.
Yeah.
I could just go to the gym Wednesday and Thursday and sweat it off, so it could just come off real clean. And then on Friday or Thursday, whichever day you want to do, I could get
What
my
day is the shoot?
Friday.
What time?
She hasn't. I think it's like during the day.
So
I need to figure it out.
Either Thursday night, but if it's later in the day, then we can do Friday, so it'll be fresh.
Yeah, and I could clean it, and then you could just slap the wig on. But yeah, so here we are. I was supposed to get my nail fixed today. I was supposed to pay rent, but I'm gonna just get my nail fixed tomorrow before work, and then I'm gonna go pay the rent after I get off of work. So
Because Maya don't pay no rent.
Maya pays rent, but she sends me the money to pay the rent. So yeah, I'll be back whenever we install the wig and stuff. So yeah, it was just too many. Like, you have to do it with someone who you really don't have conflict with.
Yeah, and see, unfortunately, I conflict with everybody. Like, I don't know, I'm just such a...
Maybe you're the problem.
Yeah, I just really like to be alone sometimes.
I'm asking her to show y'all the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. Maya just constructed it. She's just cutting off the extra, tell them.
I am cutting the extra cap off underneath the frontal. Because it's a handmade wig, you use a full dome cap. You have to get rid of the extra that's underneath the lace.
This wig is way bigger than the other wigs. Like, way bigger.
And stretchy.
And stretchy, yeah. Not gonna lie, I do love Maya's wigs. Like, Maya's probably one of the only hairstylists whose wigs I actually really like.
Look at that. Woo!
Show them. Lots of space. You can put Autumn in there. You wanna get in the wig?
And she's gonna act the fool. I don't want to put it all the way on because your hair is glue. Your hair is glue. But
Dun, da, da.
yeah, I'm not gonna pull it all the way
Dun,
over.
da, da.
For example, it will fit.
Happy girl.
Looks stitched.
Good. I don't know about y'all, but I love to humble a man. Be like, I'm just not interested. They're like, what? Be like, yeah. The bitch ever told you no before?
Nope. Oh.
Yeah.
And they be, bitch, you aren't even that bad anyway. Oh, really? Now you're angry. Spicy. Bitch.
The spicy is crazy.
I don't like my spicy ass man. I really don't.
Look at the wig, y'all. I'm just so excited. I love a good curly wig. I remember my first time wearing my curly wig, Maya did it. I was her client still at the time. And she was like, go to this hair place, go pick up hair from them. Did exactly what she told me to. I spent like almost $600 on that fucking wig.
Yeah.
But I wanted my hair done, so I didn't care.
And it was all worth it.
And I was so scared to put a curly wig on, but that shit ate. It was such a cute wig.
That wig was really cute. I was like, ooh la la. Make her my brand ambassador. That's the day I know.
That was the day you knew?
I knew I was gonna
Really?
choose you. I was like, let me just see. Then you tagged me. I was like, oh, this bitch tagged me. She likes me. Okay, let's see. Let's keep going.
Did you get a lot of follows off that wig?
Maybe. I really don't know. I should have been keeping track, but I would assume I did to make such a hasty decision.
Look at how it's plugged. Maya's bitching because she thinks I'm not being still. But y'all, the wig fits amazing. And Maya loves, well, Maya just did that shit.
Easy.
Look at that.
Did that hurt?
No. Look.
Mm-hmm.
No crumbs.
If I should like take this piece right here and no, I don't want you to have like a baby hair all the way up on your forehead like that. What do you think?
No, because it's like a gap.
I can clean it up.
No.
A little gappy.
What is she licking?
She has hair in her mouth.
Oh.
That's the noise she made.
I'm like, what do I hear?
You need help, Stinky?
You're eating hair.
She just looks so cute from this angle.
I know.
Looks like a little pony. Oh.
I have lint all over my pants, my shirt. I look dirty.
Maybe you can just edit the video for me.
What? No.
What?
Does that actually work?
What?
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
Just putting a little makeup. Gotta be careful with your ass. Not gonna say why.
I have some. I have my whole makeup kit with me.
Oh no. It's really good HD actually, so I don't need much. Don't wanna cake that shit up.
I would not.
This shit just turns the whole install up.
Mm-hmm. They said I need to get rid of my McDonald's eyebrows. And I just want to say, bitch, you spelled McDonald's like a fucking beaner. And fuck you. I like my McDonald's eyebrows.
Did she really say that?
She spelled McDonald's like M-A-C, like McDonald's. And I could call somebody a beaner because I'm Mexican, so I could call y'all that if I want to.
You probably still ship them too.
I don't care. Like, how you gonna tell me what to do with my face?
That is kind of fucked up though.
Like,
you did not eat, whoever you are.
you left all the crumbs. Like,
crummy ass bitch.
I hate, like, and I really be trying, like, not to address people when they talk shit to me because then it makes them think that they're important. And I don't want y'all to ever think that I care what people say who talk shit to me because I don't. But I be wanting to say something just so people know not to play with me. But then I'm like,
fuck that shit.
I'm not even saying nothing. This pin is, ow, Autumn. She's scratching my toes with her
Girl,
fingers.
she was just putting the fucking ball in my crock. And I'm standing in my crock.
Where is the ball?
I never knew she liked balls so much.
That was crazy. Look, she throws it. Look, watch. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Autumn, give me the damn ball. Come here. All right, play by yourself.
She like what you say, bitch?
Autumn, give me the ball.
Get your ball, Stinky. Get your ball. She's putting it in my crock can. Get it.
Throw it like all the way in the room. Give her something to do.
She's gonna think I'm gonna keep doing it.
She is. Here she comes. Did the gnat just pull in my nose?
Okay. Now I have to pick these up and clip it. Clip it, clip it. Most annoying client in the world.
Not a
is
client.
back. Oh, excuse me. Check me then, boogie. Breaking my heart, girl.
Oh my god, that's his favorite song, please. He love all them old school
Right,
songs.
me too, bro. Move one more time while I'm trying to curl this baby hair. I'm gonna fuck you up, man.
I'm cuddling with Anna.
Hey.
I need a dog.
Hmm?
I need a dog. Thank you. Oh, look at that face, Maya. Oh.
Girl, you need a brushing. You look crazy. But you are so cute, my little pony.
You're so cute.
You are cute.
So I just want to show y'all the final look. This is the hair.
Here. Okay.
Maya Slade. My lace. Wet lace. Hmm. Oh, wow, I just love it. Make sure y'all like my pages and my TikToks that I'm about to post. And it's not even that short. It's 26 inches. It's pretty long. But yeah, this is the final look. So far, so good. Do you feel like there was a lot of shedding, Maya, when you were brushing it?
Not at all.
Look at that red hair just sticking out. Yeah, it doesn't feel, it feels really soft. It doesn't feel nasty or nothing. But I just put it in. I like this hair so far. Did you like the frontal?
Love it. Look at it.
So cute. I love my hair. Remember to shop the Hollyhood collection. This is what it looks like. This is the box. Super cute box. See? And then we have the picture, wig cap. Also remember to book my install house for all your frontal installs, wig installs, quick weaves, sew-ins, all that. Anything that has to do with hair, book with my install house. Everything will be linked down below in the description, so you guys don't have to go looking it up yourselves. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Until next time.